Hello, it's the Brad766 here. Uh, Welcome to my epic reaction video of my own video, except we're not doing that. We're gonna be reading some comments. I've heard, apparently I sound like everybody. I should start my newest. Probably be the best. My god. I don't know if you can hear that, but my phone's going crazy. Oh, here's a good one. You sound like a pianta. Moist Critical's fish rank. Be ready, we're probably gonna see that a lot. It's been a while since I've heard you in a VC, so I forgot you sounded like Patrick and I got jump scared.
Jack-o'-lantern.
You sound like Garfield, but no, in a good way. Thank you, Peppino. Thanks, Homer Simpson. You sound huggable. I don't like that. You sound like someone is trying to do an impression of Homer Simpson, but they're really bad at it. Voice Critical and Kermit the Frog. You do sound like a guy who loves fish. I don't know how to explain it, but you just... It's just how your voice sounds. Okay. Okay. Well, shit, your voice is terrible. Just text to speech. Listen, I know a certain other guy that uses text to speech. I don't want to be like him. I'm just saying. Never would have. Oh, I can't. Never would I have known that one day I would be listening to Homer Simpson wrecking aquatic enemies from the SMB series. Why Homer Simpson? Do you have Down syndrome? I forgot about. Oh, you have severe autism. Oh. Whoa. I can't believe Moist Critical is a fish fan. Dunk Frilla Central the was? You kinda sound like Captain Wayne. Wait. Isn't that... Is... like Chifril's girlfriend? What? Your voice is how I imagine Sans Undertale sounds. Your voice reminds me of Homer Simpson. This is a compliment, by the way. I love your voice. He sounds like Charlie trying to do a Chifril's video. Evil Honesty Central. Dry bones will never be in Smash. Moist Critical? I did not expect you to sound like that. Oh my god. I just remembered. Yes. The fish. Shafrilla says hi. Tell him I said hi back. Did he say hi back yet? I don't know what it is, but your humor is just perfect for me. You say everything either so calmly or so bluntly. Also, you forgot to rank the surfing manta from Mario Galaxy. I'm still mad that I completely forgot the surfing manta in this reply. Yeah. He goes, what number was that? I'm not gonna scroll all the way up. He goes above the regular manta ray. Oh yeah, Jumbo Ray. Jumbo Ray would go like, I don't know, somewhere high-ish. Not that high, but high-ish, purely for the fact that it's a Jumbo Josh reference. Oh yo, that's me. This guy sounds like a fish. This right here. That's me. Is this it? I think this is it. This is the last of them. So if we load, please. I like the part with the fish. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Okay, that was so if there's one thing to take away from that, no, I do not sound like Moist Critical.